a lot of issues, and I'm ready to join the bright too, including the ban of Samson Siasia for life. And run so when him say Orlando Paris coach, I think say Militin Sidovic Michu, and can coach Edma Uganda, also 8 me resign. I got signed at another great team in Zamalek. And Jamaica so Europe number finishing our Samson Siasia ban. Namincha power the names Emma Saban by and the extent of it in African football power. And FC Barcelona, in their quest to defend their La Liga title for the third time in a row, no, almost 8 Kolusu Ewo Athletic Club de Bilbao. And over Bilbao, Sena Ben ACL can open the Giants of La Liga. One of the teams from NTM Enco relegation can be Eba, and so comes Eba La Liga in 2014. Omonko relegation ebiom tom that's eka teams from Enco relegation no. Odom Beka, Bilbao, Real Madrid, and Barcelona. And now Barcelona air without Leo Messi. Antoine Griezmann was the man tasked to do the job, and coach Ernesto Valverde Tejedo. All share game and power players know the shots, and that was when he lost the game. Because all share game as against a Bilbao team under Gaisca Garitano, very places you said you last season. No, idea of me their part is their pressing. Into Barcelona pass ball piano can count as many as 3 players or more air press Barcelona defenders. No, and to the first half, this is how Barcelona lined up in the first half. He started with Nelson Semedo Cabral as the right fullback, Jordi Alba as the left back, Clement Longley alongside Gerard Piqué Bernabeu in midfield, Carles Alenya, and Brente Fennis, Frankie Dion, a ball. Position 9, the Benin Sergio Busquets Begos, a Bohona Brente Ejinaye in the heart of the midfield, and as Sergio Roberto Eba into the other side of the midfield. Power, anyone Antoine Griezmann, Luis Suarez, and Osman Dembele. Mistake any. Barcelona over the preseason now, each and every time you must start the game with Frankie Dion. Dion or play outside the center back. In terms of Barcelona, make a triangle at the back. Instead of saying Comena a square no on as a triangle, and as a Busquets into the back two. That's Busquets and Longley. And I saw Piqué and Longley. Now they cannot make defenders eye train. Not started the attack over there. Into press the crown power. Born baby Busquets no pass my Longley to Piqué to born 18 and the opponent half. But the first half because I know about with Frankie De Jong almost a different player altogether as compared to Busquets. Now Brighton air ball further away from the centre backs. Intermana Raul Garcia. I don't know agent Finfi Edema Alex Bilbao not air pressy Brighton fans De Jong. First half number so Emory. It was all Bobo Kwa fan say Bilbao every chance 1 or 2 Beto Suarez or the able poor. Now Bilbao for any dominate because they were able to break down the midfield of FC Barcelona.
The numbers in the game, Barcelona played 72% of the ball.
Yeah, power. It was in the second half. And I made ban. All the first half. I didn't man why into my Bilbao the second half. Or the brand of Carles Alenya, Efimo, Eddie Ivan Rakitic, Eba, and Tomba square. Ewo and FIFA because Rakitic Eba Frankie Dion on board 2 midfield. The base, no. And I Piqué and Longley no Bati. And it's all press papa because say 2 players to see anya Dion kwa. And to also tackle me to bomb Dion no they Rakitic. And the bomb team play Bilbao totally because in the second half he was able to vary his tactics. In the first half that was what went wrong for Boca FC Barcelona coach Valverde and team in the right. And the other side hand say Suarez injured arm Barcelona. Because Brighton and the only low marksman anymore, and Griezmann position on the field of play was also another mistake of coach Etimenyai. So I'll follow Griezmann from the days at San Sebastian, Edema Real Sociedad, Edema PMO Athletic Club de Madrid. Brighton one player, he likes to play just behind the lone marksman. And the striker and agent striker Ben no game he started him in the left side. So and you now Brent Dembele and the other side. Eban say you not get the best out of him because he's not a dribbler. Number 2, he has lost his pace now. Name him Brighton from the days at under 20, you know. And the Griezmann entered that pace winger Abium. He's a player that likes playing in that position just behind the low marks and ball and flick but now Brighton have finished. He's a good finisher of the ball. Now Brighton about that position down and the best out of him. Now Suarez could play. So he was pushed to play from the front at the number 9. And then now Brighton had to say To one way game ni Bianca says Griezmann was totally out of the game. Barcelona's best player was Abraham in the second. That's Rafael Alcantara do Nascimento, Rafinha. On the bear Barcelona best player because when he came to the game, he was able to change the game because of the tactics and the variation. Now, coach IFN say Valverde able in the second because in the second half, Osafi the 4-3-3, ever called 4-2-3-1. And now Rafinha ever Gina Griezmann Echi. Dembele echo the other side or now Barcelona for me. No 8 me air bombarded the defense of Boca Defense Athletic Club de Bilbao. Into Valverde started the game and he got everything wrong. And for him to get the best out of Antoine Griezmann, no, he shouldn't play him as the low marksman, as the number 9. And as a winger, that's another problem for Barcelona beating in the course of the season. Baby Abraham Ed thriving. Baby Oyad, and that's where the man himself, Leo Messi, able. And to say Leo Messi, or he will play just behind the striker. You ask yourself, where will Griezmann fit in that system? So man, we are there too. Abend friend said Ada Turan. After the movement from Boca de Madrid, Atletico de Madrid, Eba Barcelona, I think I using here the same thing between me to a brand here. I offend the Griezmann. You will be with Coutinho at Liverpool, where the midfield three and Abend edge no be. So each and every day you get the best out of Felipe Coutinho. Baba Barcelona, he was forced to play in the left side of the attack. And sir, you will not get the best out of them. Coach Valverde, he should do that in the next games. Yes, sir, the great man, £120 million sterling on the Eton. It might go into a waste because in the Uko Barcelona, a deal will be airborne say bring back Neymar because they think say with Neymar in their team, even the Arsenal of Messi, I bet make about something different going for it because Dembele clearly and that game, all he did was just take the ball, run, or generate the ball as I go check. Not that the ball number, no, generate the ball as I go check. No, you don't do that as a player of his caliber. But in that game, the Barcelona lost it. Valverde, for me, he got the tactics and everything wrong. In the subsequent games, you know how he able to turn the tide around for Barcelona to clinch and power. Now, we kind of last time we lose their first game. When you say the last time Barcelona lost their first league game, they went on to win the treble. They went on to win the treble. And when they say ABR.
But the bad news here is that Luis Suarez won't in the game, you know, a picky calf injury.
Yeah.
And well, as at now, Barca for say, the evaluation of the injury, and see, my estimate.
Yeah.
And I say, how long Suarez is going to be out?
Yeah, it's a bad news in my Barcelona because it's only the only striker on my team more. Only one of my Griezmann doesn't fare well playing as a low marksman. And Abel Ruiz, he's a youngster. Last season, even Copa del Rey, Mama Brandt any chance, so you not be able to deputize for Luis Suarez, selling KB and Cabrente Suarez a bit more. Moving on. And Real Madrid coach Zinedine Zidane, Oko PMO Ewo Estadio Balados, Akoboetia Shelter de Vigo. This a team last season. Cartone bro on Comoko relegation. They finished 17th in La Liga. And La Liga no uyi hero na mona Rayo Vallecano esi nchenya or more NA team nom edasro. Antomotos on committee relegation. This time around, Oma Lusu, one of their top marksmen, their top scorer, and Maximiliano Gomez, Edama Valencia. I got first Santiago Santi Mina, Eden Abba. And Santi Mina is a product of their youth system. And Oko PM of Valencia. And they was about the other round of Maxi Gomez, Eko PM of Valencia. Last season, Maxi Gomez almost 13 goals. And Iago Aspas almost some 20 goals in the league. And they Santi Mina it means most of the workload rely on a brand of Iago Aspas. And last season, I didn't count people on Comoko relegation was because Iago Aspas Eko Pry. No ena obi over banging in the goals Erema Aboko and Shelter de Vigo. And the Iago Aspas are into the team. They've signed Denis Suarez at the FC Barcelona. And the brand the creativity ever made for them. And a Ghana Paul Edu. On us I'll PM to the team and name making the David Erema Boko and say Shelter de Vigo. You Esin Chenya. All the signings, someone said and make a Maki signing in their team. Joseph Edu rather, sorry. Or no, I'm making any marquee sign. Oh, team. Real Madrid on the other hand, a lot of some almost signings in early. It's not Real Madrid supporters, no. expectation be beer also say going into the new season no with Zidane promising so be build Real Madrid team no e never be kon kan Fela Mandi 18 ebaye Esa Rodrigo Goyes last season or team eba this time around ABC akan Real Madrid Enya Jovic ya Takefusa Kubomina eba into this Real Madrid 18 and the man himself Eden Hazard 18 ebaye in the thought say they will be the players to take Real Madrid into the finish line. But in the preseason, Real Madrid didn't fare well at all. In their first game, Nema Esha Ejiagu 3-1 against Bayern Munich. Atletico Madrid Real Madrid by 7-3. Even their last preseason game against AS Monaco, said this is their last game. Real Madrid 4 and they the Kadema Crack and Eka team. No, that's the finishing touch. No, Eka and Umpono. Real Madrid and Timmy and Winnie. They took the lead through Marcelo. Emma Roma take 2-2. They lost on the penalty shootout. Their first competitive game in La Liga. Their main rival in La Liga, Barcelona, they've seen them being defeated. Yatima Shomo in their first game. Real Madrid take the opportunity to gazam them and I'm making my travel to the league log early days. But send the disadvantage the La Liga. The little points number drop power, it goes a long way to hurt you. Last season, Real Madrid had set opportunities. Barcelona called Liganis, no more lose. Real Madrid and so early days now, Barcelona me and normally league Real Madrid Atletico Madrid. Oman team anti advantage, and the chance net team about some of the players and Konya to prove Zidane wrong. Say they are quality players. One are now my chance and they. So I decided trust here. You have to be delivered at the amount. Players like Gary Frank Bale. In recent days and recent months after the last league game of the season in Spain, no beer and him say Gary Bale a Real Madrid etimi ako. He won't be a Real Madrid player coming the blast of the whistle for the new season. Benny, I rather that's Real Madrid a player. James Rodriguez moving the 18 back into the Real Madrid fold. Almost sounds fortunate enough say Eden Hazard ankane this Real Madrid new project na be seen this about na etima kupra Marco Asensio Villemsen enso etima kupra Rodrigo Goyes enso etima kupra and the three of the players that come competing for the same positions no power we na anyone more and it means that this game they will be in to even start play from the start and so you have this opportunity of power there's no need of you bottling it although it means say you are the quality player. Last season, one team I know there are a lot of quality players. For me, Gareth Bale may be able to step up on the plate for Real Madrid in today's game. James mean a chance to bench about Vinicius, Zidane, or in the preseason, Sabrantano, one player or bet count on him from the bench, not from the start, and he may also get a chance to start in this game. This Real Madrid team or more point to prove to the coach, to the team, and to the supporters are. Or more support to say more Akonya in this. For me, Real Madrid will win this game by not less than 2 goals or 3-1. Power in the Premier League. Boko FN Liverpool. I was talking of their facial pile-up last Thursday. Say all those say Omo Aji the UEFA Super Cup, but their problem may be say the facials may come 10 and 5 and I don't bet him about 10 times so. We are more features now. Feature pala betting adults. And free the Super Cup eba ye ne egina kono against Southampton. 18 on one rest for the whole week. No Auburn game. Southampton team in their first game he lost by 3-0. And he is coming into this game as a wounded lion. Liverpool for limited time recover players no. And Ebano. Will say the team no one team say what for tape they take advantage of it. It doesn't matter the team no more airborne. Last season, City played against the top 6 Cameroon airborne that 5 home games support almost in their home ground. A man draw even a single game. And I'm not Tottenham enable in 2 years. Both government Liverpool all those go play all St Mary's Park away against a Southampton team. I'm firepower and this row. Or man lose Charlie Adams and now championship and they check. Charlie Austin, I'm not different. Che Adams, and lead on attack. And Che Adams, a player from the championship, he is now getting used to the Premiership. They better taking a while. Danny Ings, last season he was their saving their first game. About the match, for me this a game where Liverpool will start as favorites and they will win this game. Burnley against Arsenal. Arsenal in their first game, they proved that Sane is not a and yes, Sane keke. The youngsters on by into the game, likes of Joe Willock, actually say almost any chance on betting me about Edama Arsenal team and Joe Willock. In one of the in that game, one of the movements, about the Janiko side and Yibobi, call even Unai Emery, Elboni Samani, I just said wash go. And the Bantene on your chance go deliver Race Nelson, so last you go PM or the Bundesliga or Hoffenheim. Brighton actually so in your chance waiting at deliver. Nicola Pepe and started their first game. Like I said, and but they won that game today. Both Arsenal against Burnley. I'm going in for Arsenal to win that game. Power Man City against Tottenham. Man City after 15 games in a row in the Premier League. Omo and Lucy. Omo West Ham making a match. Omo own record say. Omo call 18 games from August to December 2017. And I'm and Lucy game and I'm 15. On best of 18 equally that record. And today Pep Guardiola, he has the luxury of calling onto the lines of Bernardo Silva. Their last game, while more even a single minute. Kun Aguero, he came onto the game from the bench. And this is a Man City team that they have a lot of firepower from the bench to the starting lineup. And who Tottenham in their first game against Aston Villa team and not buy into the Premier League now. Power Tottenham team, Chelsea, they lack something in the absence of Christian Eriksen. Brighton also, Coach Mauricio Pochettino and him say, Brighton Bekone and Ochina into their first game was starting from the bench. Emma Eric Lamela, elbow just behind Harry Kane. And I'm not about at the bench. They lack the creativity. They lack the movement of a branch defense Eriksen in their team. And then they said, Coach IFN said, Mauricio Pochettino, Eriksen, and so the Brighton to bench power, they will be in for a whole lot in this game. And also starting Nonya Tanguy in Ndombele. A Brighton over in that game, the first game in the Premier League. As a player, what put the Premier League for a long time. A Brighton Jibo went in the vision for pass, though 10 or down and on 50 on power. He was a delight to watch alongside Harry Winks and Musa Issou. For this Tottenham team, they will try, but it's a game that Man City will win. Power. Namede ebesi ewofino. Ona meka Samson Siasia ne bando. Samson Siasia one player back in 1994 and the way coach. And man Nigeria edge African Cup of Nations no can omutim no bi. And o admit say Yamane Braiba obetimi agi amana eyi. And announce Emma the ban 18 by. Na the ban no papa be a fence Wilson. Ono Singapore. So go play Singapore na Juma ya is a power of 6 games.
Wilson Raj Perumo.
Na Juma ya is a power of 6 games. And Saba Poy only said Chelsea against Birmingham City in 1995. Or tries and go fix that game. Emma even Yedika Chini Tum in 1995 in Singapore couldn't say or fix games in Chini Tum El Honomo. Or the Dimwa Emma overturned the biography in 2014. Our two biography didn't say Kelong Kings. The biography in Edino. Our team will say, okay, the 10 South Africa also have a World Cup. No? Or say Nigeria qualifies in power or fix a lot of their games. I want Nigeria will qualify to that World Cup. Honduras, also there's a fix. And even the penultimate games, that friendly games, you know, Brazil games or fix, Tanzania or fix, who admit it in that. And Saba Pano, on investigation announced American and CS, and you're not one of the first person who could PM all but one and so one of their FA official power or multiple banning for life. Pay a fan say Mokechi got Lele. Mokechi got Lele, so you're not banning for life because on us 8 FX game, also 8 me admitted saying on FX, jam banning on us for life. And a Sierra Leone so on us about Kaba. And see one of the officials so much more banning for 5 years because of that match fixing scandal. No? It tells you how FIFA or frown on match fixing. Tell him the other point, see on my muarma. Now see a fan trasa. But even the NC, name is Sheshelamon sense no. Open me Nimbia Kusi. NC no on my D or bet and they see no. July Yano, the 2nd July, and I prepare a fan say Mokele then 8 member a team abandoned for that life sentence no. And our pie fan say Abakar Kaba so the 26 July and then 18 by the knee. and as Ndra it me ban something siasia ono enso so a former player even in 2011 no coach Nigeria national team no what back of a life is a football later active because with me a ben one for me I think say I also sign my match fixing with me a film bet any also be on a deal ye be and we are not living in an island I be BBC will be 18 emu to all cars upon what we need because it can go a long way to help to because a beer a man that sounds says a couple no name say betting anya this effect too also betting aje ben they own that mabetono
so the man obeji
wakana tra ben they own effect that anya
Madiba Mr. Ochi mukakra ma mhwe Samson Siasia then was it obiti now enya picture
omo ebusa not expected omo busa say ye man it's case on fix game obeji anasa onje and also on the obeji the announcer no nti wakana try ka da utie me the ben me ma one city say ko fix game see na obeji ska no eno ano the announcer no na ni
on baby your money abre football
it was in Pawazan America Papa fans and Militin Sredovic Michu and now no Ukwada and a Super Sports United Eche Boko FN say Orlando Pirates they shown by 3-0 Omesha Omadechi Yawada Nrechi and a Michu Erbetu just say or whether defeat now only say the players no ball no mono and come some about to a different pattern. All the nobody can Kolusu in the Champions League to Green Eagles of Zambia. And now Oka Sans and Semno, no behind him say he is looking for the long-term future. And no power 10 p.m. South African time. And our player fans and Michu, Elbetu just say, resign on your coach of Orlando Pirates, Boko Ebium. And now so, my submission, Metu just say, Zamalek Fuat Mia Pau, Papa fans say Alexandra Stanojevic, so me a coach. And now Obianim say Zamalek for a coach in Alexander Stanojevic and not even their gamer. Omoche FC Deka Daha in the Champions League. Shown by 7 goals to 0. No Obianim says Zamalek, a new coach Ebert na bench I will game Ebi. And now after say the resignation of Micho or Pirates no. And about Papa fan say Marwan Motada. Our president Ed Emma Zamalek. Why don't you just say Omo appointed Micho as their coach? And the coach or resign and run on one year Jumadi El coach or Zamalek. And they will say Motada say, what? And Abekachi and Ra say, what appoint a new coach in the Serbian? That's Stanojevic, some Beo coach. Now then they see and they all 5 Micho some Beo coach, or say Debbie. And now all the air saw Nintendo for now when enemies now say, hey, idea or more, how would they react to the appointment of Stanojevic? But they don't know open, but Nipa no open the power. The first choice, Militin Micho Sredovic, under the place Tarek Yahya. Over this is a team of power in the last 10 years. Omo appointed 20 coaches into Omo there. Ya appointed coach name Pam there. Omo there the team be or African continent no. And today Omo Tarek Yahya enquired assistant Enfama Militin Sredovic. Na Micho Aba Oban. Uwe Nejuma Diodi Edema Orlando Pirates in the 2 seasons sir. About 80 games and Edema Boboko IFN say Orlando Pirates every nimu 38. Ed draw 26, Ed lose 16. And to hear Mitchell Njuma di Ewa Paris. Or sounds Edom F finishes second Mienu last 2 seasons. And then last season, Mamelodi Sundowns Edgy League na 1 team here. Angie League Ewa. And this a coach since 2001 we PM Ewa or my friend Uganda on 3 Abibrema Enko Bebia. While coaching a lot of national teams in the African terrain. And today, all PM or Zamalek in the first task, and it's a Champions League for the first time. And I said last time as Zamalek Edge was in 2002, no, on form NTV Enkoji. No one say the Egyptian League now, Adane, the Italian Serie A, 1 team now, the EGC nice, no. Always obey team as because for the last 4 years, a idea Bobo Kweva Elali, and I team the Egyptian League EGC nice. Always say. Or bet team in the Boboko IFN says Zamalek estimated the Egyptian League no Eddie AC the nice and Egyptian Capital's always say or bet me at the end we Mitchell so and you might be in the first match now no or bench no power and at now stands everywhere no FC Dekada Onze Tariq Yahya leading team now come win share by 7 goals to 0 and in that game some of the new signings actually say they are in and they will be able to play and win football game at Zamalek and we are teams of power here the Arsenal and everything to compete with the creme de la creme of the African terrain and Neville Ashraf Ben Shakir team Abana Power is a player that has played in the friendly he knows even the French football and the Khalid Boutaib is a player that has played in the World Cup and the Morocco national team no Ferjani Sassi Mendo Mekana Sempi in the AFCON no see I can't remember the Tunisian national team even Ghana that last penalty on the shed mouth Tunisia meeting Ghana free mo and Abranten Eras meeting mo where players like Mahmoud Shikabala Abranten needs no further introduction in African football Mahmoud Shikabala Eras Zamalek team Mahmoud Ella Eldin Abranten in the AFCON for me he was one of the best central defenders in the AFCON or Zamalek and to Zamalek team they are all round Omar El Said this is a team that coach defense Mitchell Ekofa and competing in African football for me I think it's leaving Orlando Pirates at that stage and yet the right moment but going into Zamalek a step in the right direction ne aim say obetime the CAF Champions League in power obetime did this players but from ING their own guy say this is a team power and so coach edge the Confederation Cabral Christian Gross almost uncle because Zikana Original Edoso into Obano and I'll say what targeted amount in the power namne de hey I'll call them Nantunam fish none be up say on quite 8 million power ni the say coach Mitchell everything Zamalek team no I become one of the best teams in African football once again power
okay and we are down